Alright, so as you can see behind me, we have the Challenger on the lift. Today we're going to do an airlift suspension on it. So right now it's on coils, we're going to put it on air, but we do have a little issue. This lip sits a bit low, and we probably won't be able to fully bag it without it hitting, but we'll see how it goes. We got Giuseppe installing it, trying to put it on the lift right now. This car is pretty low, so we had to put it on ramps and then put it on the lift. So we're gonna go ahead and lift her up and see what kind of airlift suspension we got working with. Alright, so we got the bags in. Now what's going on, man?
Trying to get this. There's this one bolt right here that's got to go right up in this little bracket. Look how big these things are. Come on, man.
That's crazy. You just...
This is insane. So pretty.
It's easier than the back.
Just a little bit.
I wonder how low we'll be able to get with this thing with this
Not very.
droopy front lip. So we got we got 3 so far. Working on this last one, and once we get them in, we're gonna test them out. So we'll see how low can we go.
The next day.
Might not be too perfect for you.
So what happened?
We're missing a key component. The control box is missing. Yeah, if you look at it, that's how it's shaped. Should have been in this box. It looks like somebody's been in this box. The lines come out here, and the box goes right in here. This ain't it.
Much later.
All right, so we got all the bags installed. Now we're just working on the wiring, and we're going to install the compressor. But before that, Giuseppe's working on a little something. It's gonna go right here. It's a custom piece for the compressor. Alright, so Giuseppe went ahead and built a custom plate right here for the compressors, right where the wheel well goes, or where the spare tire goes, so we can keep this nice and hidden. And then we got the actual compressor right here, so everything's nice and hidden, all organized. So we ran all the wires to all the bags, and yeah, so we got it all done. Now we're gonna test it out, see how low she can go.
What's that at?
Back up to 60.
That's 60?
60 in the front, 67 in the back.
I saw that thing bend inwards.
When you said stop, it was at 30.
Drop it to 40. Just the front.
Just the front?
Just the front. Oh, no. What are you at?
Yeah, you're already touching on the front.
Yeah, bring it to 50. Well, that side's at 50. Bring the other side to 50.
How low are you? 47 on the front. That's as low as you can go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that front lip is gonna be it's gonna be an issue because I think that's 100 or 80, and that's still really, really low. So we'll see. We're gonna go take it on a test drive and hopefully not scrape off the front lip. So everything sounds good. We're gonna go mess around with it, see if we can dial it in. How's it feeling?
Good.
Good?
Fine.
Yeah? Did you lower it? Did you lower it anymore or no?
No, I haven't touched it. It feels good like that.
It's not bouncy?
No. I
Alright.
told you it's a heavier car.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad so far.
Cool. Alright, so in conclusion, everything looks good. The lowest we can go on the front is around 38 to 40 PSI. On the back, we can bag it all the way to maybe 20 or 15. So in conclusion, it's not bouncy at all when you're riding at around 60 or 80 because, as Giuseppe said, it's a heavier car. With the BRZ, on the other case, we always have issues because if you ride anywhere from 80 to 100, it's very bouncy because it's also a really light car. But this car being heavy, no issues. So the ride height is going to be anywhere around 60 on the front and 65 on the back. I think that's what we have it set up as, but the bags are in, everything's in, so everything's working. We got the wide body kit, we got it color corrected, and we got this little monkey badge on the side. So this is gonna be the King Kong car, and then the GTR over there is Godzilla. So we're gonna have some fun with those in a few weeks once we race them or whatever we're doing with these cars. But other than that, I mean, the bags came out pretty good. Car looks great. Wide body kit definitely makes it pop a little more, and then just having this car all the way bagged just finishes pretty much the whole look. So hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you guys in the next one. Stay shifting.